How to link debit card in Zelle. Are you guys facing issues to link a debit card in Zelle? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To link your debit card in Zelle, first of all, open the Zelle app and log in into your account with the registered email and password. On the home screen, tap Settings or Account Options. From here, select a debit card, enter your debit card number, expiration. Double check the details to make sure they match your bank records. Once you submit, Zelle will verify a card instantly. If it's eligible, your debit card will be successfully linked and you can start sending or receiving money right away. If your card isn't accepted, make sure it's a Visa or MasterCard debit card from a US bank that supports Zelle. For extra help, visit the support section inside the app. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna link debit card and Zelle application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.